I'm Audra Schrader with this KGMI.com news update. Despite a cool, damp spring, fire danger in Whatcom County is high, according to local officials. All open burning is banned effective immediately, including debris from yard waste and land clearing. Fines range from $250 to $1,000. How quickly do you expect firefighters and medics to respond when you call 911? The Whatcom County Planning Commission is working to set standards for emergency service here locally. They're holding a public hearing Thursday night at 6:30 at District 7 Fire Station on Church Road. Thursday is the deadline if you want to be in the running for the local Pepsi Refresh program. The Whatcom Community Foundation and Pepsi distributor Walton Beverage are teaming up to give money away to local causes. The grants range from $2,000 to $10,000. The winners will be chosen by online voting and will be announced in September. There is sign-up information right here on our homepage. Thanks for logging on and have a good day.